So the software that we have is Phoenix, and it started with that. And then I started asking questions like, wow, this automation's amazing. After that, I looked into Enfocus Switch. So those are the two cores of our automation journey. So on Phoenix, we're able to drop in a file, and we tell it what file we're dropping in, and then we talk about the sheet size, and it automatically imposes that file onto that sheet. Before Phoenix, we would use Fiery. So Fiery from Can and Ricoh, all those companies, they have imposition software, but it's very manual. So I was looking for something that I could throw in a file and it automatically was ready with the right crop marks, file name, and things like that. We obviously use it for the Zund as well, which is where it's the most helpful. But yeah, we use it for all our book impositions, print and cut impositions, obviously Zund, wide format impositions. And yeah, we started from nothing and went to Phoenix, or went from Fiery, or HP has a product called SmartStream, which is also very manual. But we used those before Phoenix. And I heard about Phoenix from Tyler. He was like the main sales guy at Tilia Labs at the time. And yeah, I heard him on a podcast actually. And I was like, this is it. I couldn't believe that it existed. And I called him and we just hit it off right away. So it actually all started with Phoenix. I found all the gains in Phoenix to be out of this world. So before, and these are like feel metrics, they're not super technical because we're just a small company, but it felt like it would take, it felt like for each job that we would get, it would take about 5 to 10 minutes to impose and get that job ready. With Phoenix, it turns into 1 minute, right? So we're seeing a 5x, 10x improvement on impositions. When we started doing book work, it became even more important because books take a long time to process. So using Phoenix saved even more time per job. So that was incredible. And then for more custom cuts, like die cutting, folding, packaging, that kind of work could take an hour to get ready for press, which now takes, again, a minute. And it's not us doing it, it's Phoenix doing it. So very, very drastic improvements. It gave us the ability to run our presses a lot more, because our press operators, instead of starting and stopping the press, now they could throw something in and our press uptime got a lot more, and we could do a lot more work because of that as well. So it's huge. I want to make it clear, you do not have to be a web to print storefront in order for Enfocus Switch and Phoenix to be transformative for your company. You can be a small mom and pop shop like us, or a small company like us, and still get immense gains from this kind of software.